DevOps. Okay, we are going to discuss on these some topics which are related to structuring, then the Kanban flow optimization, overview of the Kanban, and the collaboration encouragement, Kanban board as well, and the comparison like in the Scrum versus Kanban. Okay, let's go ahead and see one by one. So, in the overview of the Kanban, what exactly it is? So, Kanban is a framework for implementing the agile and the DevOps in software development. Okay, this is the definition of it. What is purpose of it? It emphasizes the real time communication and the transparency of the work processes. Work items are visually represented on a Kanban board for easy tracking purpose. Okay, this is the purpose of using Kanban board. What is the importance of the visual management? So, visual representation helps team members see the status of the task at any time. It fosters accountability and the clarity in the task ownership, who is owning and working on that task. Okay, the name will get displayed there. So teams can quickly identify and address workflow bottlenecks. Okay, so this is the overview of the Kanban code. Let's see the flow optimization. What exact the concept of the Kanban flow, then the benefits and the work in progress WIP limit we can going to discuss here, right? So in the Kanban flow enhances efficiency by managing the task progression visually. It draws parallel with inventory management in supermarkets. Okay, so tasks move through development processes as needed, ensurely timely completion. Okay, so POC task and those tasks we can researches tasks we can add here. So tasks are represented as a cards on the Kanban board, allowing for process tracking purpose. Okay, so what is benefits of the visualize those workflows? So bottleneck can be swiftly identified and the address. Okay, the progress of it. The continuous improvement is supported through the metrics like control charts. WIP limits prevent the overburdening team members and maintain the workflow steadiness. Okay, we can see and we can take one by one tickets in the WIP. Okay, so we can work on it. So, what is work in progress limit? There, they optimize resource allocations and they reduce the multitasking part. Okay, higher productivity is achieved through the focused task management. Okay, if I'm working on one task, then I have to complete it and then I can go ahead with the another task. Once we move that WIP ticket into some review task or something, then we can take a new ticket from the backlog and we can start working on it. Okay, so we can limit that work. Okay, fine. So this is all about the Kanban flow optimization. Let's go ahead and see the structuring of the Kanban flow. What is visualization, standardization, and the identifying the blockers and the dependencies. Okay. So let's see visualization, the workflow of the task. So start by mapping out the team's workflow on a Kanban board. The board should represent all stages from task inception to completion. Means we can add some the progress of the task like backlog, that is to-do list. Okay, then we can pick up any one task and put it in WIP, work in progress. Once it is done, we can move that ticket to review task. Okay, so that we can take a new ticket from to-do task and start working on it. Okay, in the review task, once review done, we can implement or deploy something till the pre-production and then move we can do it on done. Okay, yeah, so these kind of things we can use the status things. Okay, so the both physically and virtual boards can be utilized depending on the team needs, we can say. Okay, so let's see the standardizing workflow stages. What are they? That is to do, in progress, and done. We can add that review also. Okay, in between. Customization is encouraged to fit unique team workflows. Okay, customization we can do it. Then identify the blockers and dependencies also. The Kanban board should facilitate quick identification of the blockers. Transparency, it's also happens so the prompt resolution we can do it for the issues. This helps to maintain a smooth progression of the task. So this is all about the structuring of the Kanban flow. On the other side, we can see there are three tasks I have mentioned, like encouraging collaboration, Kanban board, and the comparison. Let's go ahead one by one. For encouraging collaboration means what exactly? Fostering the team collaboration and also utilize the Kanban cards. Okay, so promote the culture where team members collaboratively address the bottlenecks, encouraging open communication to enhance the workflow efficiency, collective problem solving, accelerated task completion. Okay, these are some team collaboration we can foster out. Then what is how we can utilize the Kanban cards? Each task is represented as a Kanban card with essential details. Okay, so cards include task description, assignee, its name, that person who is working, who will work on it. Okay, yeah, and the estimated completion time. This visual tracking promotes the transparency and the accountability within the team. So it's encouraged to team as well, okay, to complete their task. Then let's see the Kanban boards. What the functionality and the basic structure of the Kanban board. What functionality we can get it from the Kanban? That is, Kanban boards are so central to the Kanban methodology. Okay, they visualize and optimize the workflow across team, both physically and virtual, serves to enhance the traceability and collaboration. Okay, so what is the basic structure? Basic Kanban board has three main columns, that is to do, in progress, and the done. Okay, team can adapt the board structure based on their size and the objectives. Okay, the board acts as a single source of the truth for the team's work. Okay, this facilitating the Kanban board for our team. Okay, let's go ahead and see what is the comparison of in between Scrum and Kanban. Let's see the differences first. Okay, the Scrum operates on a fixed length sprints while Kanban allows continuous flow. So that's why we are working with the Kanban for the research and development stories or something. Okay, so Scrum defines the specific roles like product owner, Scrum master, whereas Kanban emphasizes the team collaboration. Okay, we can work together and take a task. Okay, then key metrics is different, right? Like Scrum focuses on the velocity while Kanban tracks the cycle time. Okay, the change management approaches also we can see that is Scrum discourages changes during the sprints to maintain the focus on learning. Okay, so Kanban allows for the changes at any time, promoting flexibility because it's doing the that cycle time. Okay, it's not the time box event. Okay, Scrum is this time box event. So this adaptability can lead to more responsive and effective workflow. Okay, got it? So just go through this video again and again and learn the concept and clear it. Okay. Also, I have attached the PDF for this course, Kanban. So just go through it, and if any questions, just comment on it. Okay, we can go ahead and together solve it. Okay, thank you.